Hey there, it's Samantha Thompson with 31 Gifts, and I'm here with a video with your camp essentials. So these are the things that your kiddos need to head off to summer camp and have a great experience and have all the essentials that they need. So the first one I have here for you is our mesh caddy. This is brand new for us, and I just love the idea because it's going to keep everything nice and dry and not wet and mildewy and all that kind of stuff. So this is perfect for all of the shampoo, conditioner, soap, toothbrush, toothpaste. You can see it's got two pockets, one on either side. It does zip close, which is really nice. It's mesh throughout, which will let everything dry really easily. And then it also has a little clip right here so that you can clip it on to the bunk bed or anything like that to keep all those essentials together. And if you camp at a campground and you're using the shower house, this is a really great option for that sort of thing as well. I also think this would be really great for kids heading off to college who have to take their shower essentials down to the community bathrooms. This would work really well to kind of keep everything in. It comes in a couple different color patterns. This is our blue and leaf green here. The next item that I think is so essential for camp is our new Cinch backpack. This also comes in a couple different color prints, and if you were a fan of our Cinch sack in the past, this is the Cinch sack 2.0. It is so much better because it has adjustable straps. So no more wearing it all the way down around your booty, especially for those little kids. You've got a little handle up here. Of course, it cinches closed, adjustable straps, a pocket right here in the front, and then also this little kind of keychain with a carabiner, which really makes it super nice to kind of attach other things or kind of keep a hold of that zipper, that sort of thing. So this is really great for them to kind of keep their stuff in throughout the day if they need to take, their pool towel and their sunblock and that kind of stuff down to the pool, or they want to keep their little, camp book and bug spray and stuff like that in here. This works really well. So this is our Cinch backpack. And then the last thing that I think is so amazing for camp, my daughter's definitely going to camp with this year. She's a 4-H'er, and so she is a counselor in training this year. So she's a almost counselor is what we'll say. So this is our drawstring laundry bag, and if you can tell, it folds up super small. So this is gonna be so easy to pack in her bag with all of her stuff. And then as the week goes on, this is where all the dirty stuff can go, so it doesn't get mixed in with the clean stuff. We don't lose anything. It's not laid out all over the cabin. It'll stay nice and where it's supposed to go. You've got a little pocket here in the front, which is nice. So I'm gonna tell her, wet swimsuit in here, all the dry stuff in here. You've got the strap here to throw it over your shoulder, also the handle here, and of course it does cinch close, which is really nice. And again, another item that I think would be really great for college students. They can put all their laundry in here, take it down to where they do laundry, or bring it home to you, whichever your preference. So these are some really great products for camp and also for the dorm. So drawstring laundry bag, cinch up backpack, and then the mesh caddy. If you have any questions on how to get these products in your hand, feel free to reach out. I would love to help you. I'll talk to you soon.